Well, we're just heading up bear hunting up to Fort Assiniboine. Went up there last night to stock the baits with my good buddy James Hamilton. And he's got a couple nice big ones. One's a color face coming to his stand. The one I'm setting up today, we got sow and a cub and a couple different boars.
Up here in northern Alberta, doing a bear hunt. We just put a bear down, bait down, just tonight. My beaver cages that I built, so we're trying them out. So hopefully things are going good. This is Matt. Just met him tonight, a couple hours ago. And yeah, we're just sitting up, so see what we can see. Stay tuned. Buddy. Matt's first bear. It's what? Not even 7 o'clock. Doing the death moan, went about 35 yards. Are you happy?
Oh yeah, that's awesome, man.
Sweet. Nice bear. How'd it go, buddy? Hey, there's your load on. Nice shot. Punched him perfect. Good going. You see the blood that came out? I know. As soon as I see the blood, I'm like, perfect. Whacked him good. There we are. Just gonna come down. Beaver cages made. That's how you made them. Took some air. Tried that swagger out. He just tried it. Looks like he's going on right up here. Here. There it is. Right up here. Stone dead. There we are. Was it recovery? No. Yeah. Where'd he go? Maybe 30 yards? Yeah. Not far back. Perfect.